Hi, hello, very good evening, one and all. Welcome to India's largest live learning platform, Gradeup. सही प्रेप है तो लाइफ सेट है, ग्रेडअप है तो सही प्रेप है. So, stay tuned to Gradeup. Welcome to the most important, most awaiting session, that is 50 questions in 50 minutes from data structures. So let me know how many of you have joined the session quickly. Please do join the session quickly, guys. I am waiting for you all. Those who have joined, please mark your presence. I am waiting for you all. So we will start the question array soon after you join. So today we will practice 50 questions in just 50 minutes from data structures. So before I start, this is quick introduction about me. I am Satya, research scholar with 14 plus years of teaching experience and all the other credentials. I teach computer organization and architecture, computer networks, operating systems, programming and data structures, algorithms. Okay, so guys, quickly join the session. I am waiting for you all. Please do share this information in WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, everywhere. Let many people join. Okay, so shall we start the session? I don't want to waste much of your time. Here is the first question, guys. The postfix expression for an infix expression is. Hurry up, quickly solve it. The postfix expression for the given infix expression is. I want responses from everybody. Hi Sarkar, Vinay, good evening. The right answer for this question is option C. Guys, it's very easy. A plus B postfix form is AB plus, C minus D postfix form is CD minus, F plus G postfix form is FG plus, because they are in the parenthesis. Now this AB plus, CD minus, E, these are all in one parenthesis. Which has more priority? Like that, if you just see, you can understand it very easily. So you will get AB plus CD minus star, because star has more priority, then E plus. Got it? Simple, right? Second question. The prefix expression for an infix expression is. So guys, everybody please involve in the session. I want everybody's participation, active participation in the session, please. What is the prefix expression for the infix expression? Uma Mahesh Naik. Sarkar, Vinay and all the others, whoever are watching, please give your response in the chat box. And also please do share it. Let many people join. Let's feel that competition. So what is the prefix expression for this infix expression? Give your responses quick. Okay. Ankita Sen says D. Sarkar says D. Okay. What about others? I want all the people whoever are watching. I want all the people responses. Selvaraj D. Heba. Good evening. Heba. You are late. Pratik says D. Okay. Okay. Let's see the answer. The right answer is yes. You are correct. Very good. Option D. Guys. This prefix expression is star A, B, C. First will come, star A, B will come, then C plus. So, star A, B, C plus, wherever you have that. And just with this you can say option D is correct. You need not to cross check all the other. Right? Next, the prefix expression for the infix expression is. So we have the infix expression. What is the prefix expression? Solve it quickly. Hurry up. I can give you 30 seconds time only. I can give you 30 seconds time. Uma Mahesh. It's not B. It was D. Okay. And everybody, please do share it. Bring at least one student from each. Just multiply the students. And again I am telling, it's not for my benefit. It is for your benefit and their benefit. As many students as they come, you can see the live competition and you can see how well you are performing in 50, 100, 200, 300 like that. Please do share it guys in the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you can share, please do share it. And also please do like it. Okay, what is the answer for this question? Pratik, are you sharing or not? Pratik Soni, you have many friends. Always if you share, you can bring many students. What Pratik Soni, are you doing it? Or it's simply jogging? So what is the answer for the question number 3? D. Madhav Singh, suggest how we can practice for IES mains. No idea Madhav, because I am from computer science. I have never given any attempt for that. Okay, option A. Right, let's see the right answer for this question. The right answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. Infix to prefix. What we do, we will scan from right to left. And if operand, we will simply add it in the prefix expression. If it is operator, we will push on the stack. So 4, star, 3, division, star has equal priority, so we will bring here, division will push. 2, minus, division has more priority. Then 5, then star, then 4, then division, star has equal priority. Then 2, then star, so division is popped, star is pushed. Then 3. Now we will make the stack empty, star minus. Now reverse the obtained expression. So it is minus star 3 divided by 2 star 4 5 division 2 star 3 4. Just we will reverse. So option D. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is used to convert infix expression to postfix expression? Operand stack, operator stack, both, none. What do you say? Guys, please multiply the student count. Please share it. which is used to convert infix expression to postfix expression? Operand stack, operator stack, both or none? What you are pushing into the stack while converting infix to postfix? Very easy. Operator stack. Remember guys, infix to postfix, infix to prefix. These two conversions only use operator stack. All the others, like you say prefix to postfix, postfix to prefix, or evaluations, prefix expression evaluation or postfix expression evaluation, except infix to prefix and infix to postfix, you see any other, all will push operands into the stack. Okay, so like this you can remember easily. Next question. Consider a stack in which the following operations are held in the given order. Push 5, push 7, push 9, so on. The element on the top of the stack will be, and it's a numerical answer type. Guys, today I have brought MSQs also for you. Multiple select questions also I have brought. So stay tuned, stay back till the end of the session, attempt all the 50 questions and just check your score. How many you have given correct out of 50 in this short time. That is very important. Self-assessment is very important. Okay. Shubham Sharma, I have asked one question. What was that? कौन सा PSUs है for CSE? Shubham, we have multiple. Just to name, ISRO is there, BARC is there, CIL, Coal India Limited is there, NIC, NILIT is there, and in the same way we have IOCL. So we have multiple, and I have taken a session on that. Shubham. Okay, so what is the answer for this question? 5 only. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's 5. So what we are doing, let's take a stack. Push 5, push 7, push 9, pop, push 3, pop, push 2, pop. The element on the top of the stack, what is remained? 5, of course. Next question. Consider a stack in which the following operations are held in the given order. After these operations, the result of add operation will be. What is the result of add operation? So guys, today also make it 50. Just make it 50. Yes, what is the result of add operation? It is also a numerical answer type. 22. Ankita Sen says 22. Okay. What about others? Raja, 22 only. Guys, you please maintain your own scorecard. Just number 1 to 50, and which question you are giving the right answer, which question wrong answer. That assessment is very important. Okay. So please keep your pen and paper ready. So maybe today you might have given 35 correct, tomorrow 37. So whether that improvement is there or not, that you have to check yourself. Let's see, the right answer is 22. Yes. So what we are pushing? First 15, then 7, then 13, then pop, then 3, then pop, then 2, then pop. Now what is there on the top of the stack? 7 and 15. When you do addition, that will be 22, of course. Next question. Which data structure can be used for breadth first search? breadth first search. We have graph search, graph traversal, even in the tree traversal, this breadth first traversal, depth first traversal. Exclusively, if we talk about graph traversal, we say graph searching in a graph. Breadth first search, we go in one order. If you know that order, what data structure we can use, we can easily tell. Everybody say C, C, C. Yes, exactly. Of course, breadth first search use Q, whereas depth first search use stack, because we will traverse the elements in LIFO order for depth first search, FIFO order for breadth first search. Right? Next question. The maximum and the minimum number of nodes in a binary tree of height 5 are the max and the min. The max and min number of nodes of a binary tree of height 5. How many? Quickly give your responses. Pratik says option A. Sri Priya option A. Okay. Right. Ankita says option A. Raja Rajput option A. Guys, I want everybody's active involvement, active participation. Okay? And also please keep liking, keep sharing the session. Yes. The right answer is option A. How? The max nodes with height h will be 2 power h plus 1 minus 1, and min nodes would be h plus 1. So this is 2 power 6 minus 1, this is 6. So this is 63 and 6. Right? Next question. The result evaluating the postfix expression is. If you want, I can just highlight only the expression. Okay. So what is the result evaluating the postfix expression? Sri Priya, no. After this session, I will have dinner. Did you people have the dinner? Don't worry, we will finish it soon. Okay, 142, but Dhanalakshmi says 213. Selvaraj says 142. Ankita 142. Okay, let's see. Yes, 142 is the right answer. How? We will keep pushing the elements. So 10 is pushed, 5 is pushed. Now plus 5 is popped, 10 is popped, 15. Then 60 pushed, then 6 pushed. Division, 60 divided by 6, 10. Then multiplication. So 10 is popped, 15 is popped, 10 into 15, 150. Sorry. Now minus. Okay, now 8 is there, sorry. 8. Now minus 150 minus 8. This is 142. Okay. Next question. What is the result of following prefix expression? So guys, if you observe, I have included all kind of questions and almost from all the topics. Maybe you might be looking for linked list questions, questions from queues. Don't worry, all will be there. They are on the way. Okay, it is just question number 10. We have 40 more questions. So what is the result of following prefix expression? Quickly tell me. Ankita Sen, yes, I'll do. Niketa says option C. Sri Priya option C. Okay. Let us see. It's option A. 16. So how do you evaluate? You keep scanning from right to left. So 2 is pushed, 5 is pushed, 6 is pushed, 3 is pushed because they are operands. Then plus 3 plus 6, 9. Then 5 pushed. Then multiplication, 5 into 9, 45. Then 2 pushed. Then multiplication, 2 into 45, 90. Then division, 90 divided by 5. 90 is popped, 5 is popped, evaluated and pushed the result back. Now minus, 18 minus 2. By popping we will evaluate and push the result back. 16. So pop the result. So what is the result? 16. Okay. So 10 questions are over. May I know your scorecard please? How many of you given 10 out of 10 correct? 9 out of 10? 8 out of 10? So please give me your score out of 10. And we will increase the speed from 11th question onwards. Because I am just waiting for all the students to join. But guys, I doubt, are you people sharing it? Please keep sharing the session. Please copy the link and paste it in your Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. Okay, Sarkar 9 by 10. Good. Ankita Sen 9 after 10. Raja, fine. Pratik 9 out of 10. Heba 8 out of 10. So like this, please maintain your scorecard. Let's see. No, Raja, no excuse. Though you have joined late, you have to say 7 out of 10 only. Okay, because this is the competition. Right. Now, let us increase the speed, guys. Question number 11. For a binary tree, the in-order traversal sequence is given. The pre-order sequence is given. The post-order sequence is dash. Hurry up. Do it quickly. It doesn't matter whether you are giving right answer or wrong answer completely. It also matters how fast you are doing. So speed with accuracy, both are required. Come on. What is the answer for this question? Question number 11. I am moving on. So 30 seconds time I have given. I am moving on. Yes, the right answer is option C. Always remember, in order traversal sequence is to find left and right children. Pre-order or post-order we will use to identify the parent node or root node, you say. So according to pre-order, A is the root. When A is the root, DBC will be left. In DBC, B is on the first. Now DC on the left. In DC, C is on the top. Now D is the right child. Now out of F, H, G, I, E, J, what is E is on the front, so E is the parent and J is the right child. Now in F, H, G, I, F is first, so that will be parent. Now in H, G, I, G is first and H is left, I is right. Now it is easy for you to derive the post order sequence. So you will get DCB H, I, G, F, J, E, A. Simple. Next question. How many distinct binary search trees can be constructed out of 4 distinct keys? You have 4 keys. How many distinct binary search trees you can construct? Hurry up. Very easy question. Yes, Sripriya, Vinod, Raja Rajput. Sripriya, you changed the answer. Okay. So Nandini says option C. Alright, let's see. The answer is option B. 14 is the right answer. What is the trick? The formula is 2n Cn by n plus 1. So 2n, n is equal to 4. This is 8C4 by 5. This is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 5. So now 4 factorial is 24. This goes 2 times. So this is 40. Okay. Next question. The pre-order sequence for the binary search tree is what we have to find out, given post order sequence. We have got post order sequence. We want pre-order, but we want in order, no? How do you get in order? For a binary search tree, in order sequence will be in the ascending order. So arrange these in the ascending order, draw the tree, quickly find out the pre-order sequence. I will help you in giving the in order sequence, that is 42, 65, 66, 68, 69, 73, 82, 90. 3. I have missed 76 is there. 76, 82, 90. Yeah. So what is your answer for this question? Okay, the right answer is option D. As usual, from the post order we can say 73 is the parent. Now when 73 is parent, this is all left. 76, 82, 90 are right. Now among this 65 becomes parent. Among this 82 becomes parent. When 82 is parent, 76 is on left, 90 is on right. Now among this 42 is on left. Among 66, 68, 69, 68 will be parent, 66 is on left, 69 is on right. So we have got the tree. Now you can easily find out the pre-order sequence. Okay. Next question. The post order sequence for the BST with pre-order sequence as. Now we have got pre-order sequence, we want post-order sequence. Quickly find out. I will help you in giving in-order sequence, guys. In-order sequence for BST is always in the ascending order. So 5, 10, 12, 15, 17, 20, 27, 32, 37. Yep. So what is the right answer? I want everybody to give your answers. Quick. The right answer is option C. Okay. So we have got pre-order sequence. So 20 is the root. When 20 is the root, 27, 32, 37 are on the right. In 27, 32, 37, 32 is a front. So 32, 27, 37. Now, in these remaining elements, ten is front, so 10 will be parent. When 10 is parent, 5 is on left. Now in 12, 15, 17, 15 is front, so 12 will be left, 17 will be right. So this is the tree. Now find out the post order sequence. 5, 12, 17, 15, 10, 27. So like this you will get. Okay. Question number 15. Consider max heap with elements. After inserting elements 5 and 90 in that order, the level order sequence would be. Sure Vinod. So what is the answer for this question? Question number 15. And guys, please do share it. Today I can see less crowd. Why? It means you are not sharing. Because students should know, right? This session is happening. Then only they can come. So keep liking, keep sharing. What is the answer for this question, guys? Max heap. We are inserting 2 elements. So keep giving the answers. Pratik Soni C, Sri Priya C. Good. Keep going. Niketa C, Vinod Verma C. Right. Yes, you are correct. Very good. Option C is right. So 70, 50, 60, 20, 30, 10 and 40 we have. So this is the given max heap. Now we are inserting first 5. Where you insert as left child 220. So it satisfies structuring property, ordering property. Now we insert 90. It is satisfying the structuring property but not ordering property. So we will swap 90 and 20, 90 and 50, 90 and 70. So now level order traversal 90, 70, 60, so on. Okay. Next question. Consider a mini heap with elements. After inserting 20 and 7, the level order sequence is. Now we have min heap. Hurry up. Raja, bring the students, man. Bring your friends to the session. Heba, Shakil, Raja Rajput, Sri Priya, Nandini, Sarkar, Pratik Soni, Vinod Verma, Selvaraj. Share it. Shivashankari Selvaraj. Because it is completely free session and that too live contest is happening. Almost 1 minute time I am giving for every question. So in 1 minute how accurately you are doing, you can just assess yourself. That's why. So I want as many students as possible to benefit out of this. So what is the answer for this? Option D. Okay, so Sri Priya, you solved fast. Ketan, good. Very good, very good. Yes, the right answer is option D. So we have the 15, 30, 25, 40, 42, 27. We have the tree like this. Now we are inserting element 20. So here we insert, it's a min heap, but it is not satisfying ordering property, so we will swap here. Now we are inserting 7. It is not satisfying ordering property, so swap 7 and 40, 7 and 30, 7 and 15. That's it. Okay, next question. Consider max heap with elements 90 to 40 after 2 delete operations. So we practiced max heap with insertion, min heap with insertion. Now max heap with deletion. We want to delete 2 elements. We know definitely 90, 80 gets deleted. But what is the order of this? हाय विशाल, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा आपकी दुआ से। आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? Yes, what is the answer for this question? Question number 17. We have more 33 questions. Hurry up. Vishal Tyagi, no problem, you can, but you need to give more hard work. Option A. Okay, let's see. Oh no, the right answer is option B. Why? 90, 80, 70, 60, 50 and 40 we have. I would like to do 2 delete operations, but I can't delete both at a time. So first we will swap 90 and 40, then we will delete 90. Now we will see the ordering property. So 40 is swapped with, it's a max heap, no? So 40 is swapped with 80, then 40 is swapped with 60. So this is the first deletion. Now after first deletion we have elements 80, 60, 70, 40 and 50. Now do the second deletion. 50 comes here, 80 comes here, then delete. Now 70 comes here, 50 comes here. That's it. So 70, 60, 50, 40. Okay, next question. Min heap is given now. 2 delete operations again. Quickly do. डोंट वरी विशाल, एमटेक आप सीएस में पढ़ सकते, थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ो. कंप्यूटर साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स आर वेरी इजी compared with other. At the same time you need to give more hard work because you don't have the computer science background. Please spend some time and keep attending my classes, all our faculty classes. We are all with you, Vishal. Don't worry, all the very best. So min heap with deletion, what is the answer for this question? The right answer is option B. So we have 8, 15, 23, 17, 20, 25, 32. Now we would like to delete. So swap with the last element, then delete. Now ordering property, it's a min heap, so swap with min element. 15 comes here, 32 comes here, then 17 comes here, 32 comes here. So after first deletion, the tree is 15, 17, 23, 32, 20, 25. Now perform the second deletion. So 15 is swapped with 25, then 15 gets deleted. Now ordering property, 25 gets swapped with 17, 25 gets swapped with 20. So 17, 20, 23, 32, 25. Okay. Next question. Consider a BST with elements inserted in the order. The level order traversal of AVL tree is. So we have AVL tree question. What is the answer for question number 19? AVL tree itself says balanced. Let's see. So we are inserting elements 70, 60, 80, 50, 55. Now see the balance factors: 0, -1, 2, 0, 2. So we have two critical nodes, 60 and 70, but always from the bottom we will balance. So what rotation you do? LR rotation you do. So whenever you do LR rotation, 70, 55 comes here, 60 comes here, 50 and 80. So 70, 55, 80, 50, 60. The answer is option D. Okay. Next question. Consider a BST inserted elements in the order so and so. The number of critical nodes are. The number of critical nodes are. What is the answer for question number 20, guys? Hurry up. Ketan, I am starting preparing for GATE from Monday. So what first I do about preparation, please tell me, because I will join any random lectures and I am so confused. Ketan, you can start with mathematics, generally mathematics will be prepared at last, but you can start with mathematics. Just as you are starting, start with the most interesting subject that you like the most. Okay, make sure for every 15 days you are changing the subject, because if you just stick to one subject, that will just give you maybe 8 or 10 marks only, no? So prepare for 15 days one subject, do revision, do practice in that 15 days, then switch to another. Like that, finish one cycle for all the subjects. So in 4 months you can finish. Make sure in 4 months you are preparing all the subjects, 15 days like that, or 10 days. Then after 4 months you start revision, mock test and all. Okay, so the right answer for this question is option D. There are 5 critical nodes. What are critical nodes means? Critical nodes means what? Which have balance factor other than -1, 0, +1. They are what we say critical nodes. So 30 is small, 28 is even small, 25 is even small, 26, 27, 40, 36, 38. Okay. So what is balance factor? Height of left subtree minus height of right subtree. All leaf nodes balance factor will be 0. 26 balance factor -1. 25 -2. 28 left is 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 36 0 minus 1. 42. 30 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 0. 32 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 3, 2. So we have 32, 1, 33, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 critical nodes. Okay. Next question. Consider the following statements. Go through the statements quickly. Which of the following is correct? Very easy question, guys. Which is correct? Guys, keep liking, keep sharing. Never give up. Go grade up. What's the answer for this question? Question number 21. Himanshu Gupta, that depends how well you grasp. Actually, don't look at the quantity, but ideally I can say you please prepare 4 to 5 hours every day. 4 to 5 hours. If it is completely productive, even 3 hours also will be sufficient. But generally we keep getting deviated, no? So allocate 4 to 5 hours for your preparation. Ketan, mathematics, I am not sure. Okay, the right answer is option A. Which are correct? Guys, very simple. First in, first out are efficiently supported by stack. No, false. And if you see the last option, last in, first out are efficiently supported by Q. No. So they are given in reverse. Let's see option 2. Implementing lists on linked list is more efficient than array because you can access any element. No. Random memory allocation. dynamic memory allocation, for array static memory allocation. So yes, it is true. And implementing queue in circular array is more efficient than normal because no memory wastage. So yes, they are true. So 2 and 3 are true. Next question. Suppose a circular queue of capacity n-1 elements is implemented. Assume insertion, deletion are carried from rear and front. The conditions to detect queue full and queue empty are. Straight question. What is your answer? Raja Rajput, just involve in the class. Don't deviate, Raja Rajput. What is the answer for question number 22? B. Okay. What about others? Ankita says option A. Okay. The right answer is option A. To check whether the queue is full or not, rear plus 1 mod n, if it is equal to front, circular queue, no? So if the rear plus 1 meet front, that becomes it is full, and if rear meet front, that becomes it is, that means it is empty. Okay. Next question. A queue is implemented using non-circular singly linked list. The queue has head pointer and tail pointer. Let n denote the number of nodes. If so, which is the time complexity for NQ and DQ operations? What is your answer for question number 23? Shweta, no. Yesterday we have finished 50 questions from programming. Today it is second class. Shweta. Sarkar, option A. Okay. The right answer is option B, guys. Option B. Why? Because it's a singly linked list. It's a singly linked list. So insertion can happen in constant time. But if you want to delete, the last node, the last node, previous node, the last but one node, you have to point to null, no? The last but one node, how do you point to null? You don't have the reverse direction pointer. It's a forward pointer only, no? So, because it is a singly linked list. So, you have to traverse all the elements. That's why it is big O of n. Next question. In the worst case, the number of comparisons needed to search a singly linked list of length n. Very easy question. Come on. In the worst case, how many comparisons for singly linked list? Tushar, what I can tell? Tushar, Kalam, Sara. Okay, option D. Yes, it's a straight question. All the notes you will compare. Next, the following C function takes a single linked list of integers. The function is called with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What will be the contents after the function completes execution? It's very well known question and previous gate question, guys. Sri Priya, it's very tough for every question to say that. You also please understand. And we have to cover 50 questions. And I said it is in 50 minutes, but it is already 50 minutes crossed. So you also have to understand, Sri Priya. Sri Priya says D. Premila wrote D. Pratik Soni B. Vinod Verma D. Nandini Bhavsar B. Sarkar B. Amjad B. Pratik Soni C. Raja Rajput D. The right answer is option B. Option B. What this is telling, if not list, means if the list is empty, if the list is having only one element, return. So if empty or only one element, just return. That is the meaning of not list next. Otherwise, the things will go on. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is P, here is Q. While Q, yes, Q is non-null. Temp equal to P value equal to Q value equal to temp. So, using temp, we are exchanging the P and Q. P equal to Q next, Q equal to, if P is not null, P next. So Q comes here. Down, again swap 4 and 3. Then PQ comes here, swap 6 and 5. That's it. So 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7. Okay. Next question. What is the worst case time complexity of inserting n elements into an empty linked list if the linked list needs to be maintained in sorted order? Sorted order. No, Sri Priya, no need of sorry. Just I was explaining from my side. Okay, no problem. I'll try to name the students. So what is the worst case time complexity for inserting elements and to maintain in the sorted order? And guys, those who have missed yesterday's class 50 questions from programming, I have just posted the link of that class. Okay, option A. Let's see. No, the right answer is option C. Why? Because suppose you are inserting one element, let's say 5. Only one element, the number of comparisons are 0 comparisons. Now let's say you are inserting 2. Now you will compare 5 and 2, you will do one comparison and you will swap them. Now let's say, now the list becomes 2, 5. Now let us suppose you are inserting 4. So again you do 2 comparisons. and you will arrange them in the order. So 2, 4, 5. Like this, you are inserting n elements. So you will be doing n minus 1 comparisons. So total comparisons means 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus so on up to plus n minus 1. This is n into n minus 1 by 2. So this is n square comparisons. Okay. Next question. Which of the following points is or not true about linked list data structure when it is compared with array? Yes, guys, keep sharing, keep liking. Option B. Okay, Raja Rajput says option B. Okay, Sri Priya, what is your answer for this question? Ankita says D. Nishant C. What about others? Okay. The right answer, which is not true, is option D. Access in the linked list takes less time compared with arrays. That is false, because linked list always supports sequential access. Random access is not allowed. True. It is easy to insert and delete elements in the linked list. True. Of course, maintaining a tail pointer. Arrays have better better cache locality because arrays have contiguous memory. True. But option D is false. Okay. Next question. What does the following function do for a given linked list with first node as head? If head is null, return head next, head data. What does this following function do? Question number 28, answer please. Yes. The right answer is option B. Because when head is null, we are returning. So it goes till last node. Then while returning, it keep printing the data. So the nodes are printed in the reverse order. Next question. What does this function do with first node as head? Here if condition is changed, please observe. If head next is equal to null, return, otherwise print and call. So what is your answer for the question number 29? The right answer is option D. It prints all the nodes except last node, because head next will be null for the last node. So there it ends. Simple, right? Otherwise you are printing the head data. So it prints all the nodes except the last one. Okay. Next question. Consider the following definition in C programming language. Which of the following C code is used to create new node? So what is the exact syntax for using malloc? The question intention is that. So what is your answer for the question number 30? Don't confuse Heba. Yeah, it's just a matter of head recursion, tail recursion. Yes, option A, Tirth, Nishant, Sarkar, Ankita Sen, Heba. V special, I don't have idea about it. I'm sorry. But our Gradeup team will help. You can just call our customer care. Okay, good. The right answer is yes. The right syntax for using malloc is the first one. Okay, next question. Before that, let me introduce our star faculty. Murali sir with 20 plus years of experience. Myself with 14 plus years, of course, not 13, 1 year added. Deva sir with 12 plus years, Ankit sir, Satish sir, Navneet sir with 8 plus years, and Anshul sir. So guys, we are all here to help you out in the manner of free classes as well as paid classes. If you take super subscription, any batch classes you can access, you will have a provision to shift from one batch to another batch, and you will have instant doubt resolution. Study material will be provided. You can attempt all full length mock tests, right? So there are many advantages by taking the paid courses, super subscription. So hurry up and take super subscription, become Gradeup super user. Okay, and guys, 30 questions are over. May I know your score out of 30. Don't say I have come at 5th question, sir, I have come at 7th question. No. Vinod Verma, thank you so much. Yes, your score please. If you share your score, we will move on to next question. Raja Rajput 22 out of 30, good. Next, Vinod Verma, Pratik, Sri Priya Ammu, Hassan Ali, Nishant, Tirth, Sarkar, Ankita, I want response from everybody please. What is your score out of 30 as of now? 26, good. Sri Priya 22, very good. Ankita Sen 25, Harsh 23, Nandini 24. Good guys. Congratulations to all. So keep going with the same spirit. We have 20 more questions. So let me finish them quickly. Here is question number 31. What does the following function print with input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the linked list? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what does this function print? It's a head recursion, tail recursion. Observe, accordingly the answer will be. Heba, you have to count. Okay, then only you know your performance, right? Tirth, not bad. 20 is very good score out of 30. Not bad. Good, good. Good, Sri Priya. So what is your answer for question number 31? Yes, the right answer is option A. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Head next is null? No. So fun one of head next. So head comes here, head comes here, head comes here, head comes here. Now 6. At 6 it stop. At 6 it stop. Now head next is null? Yes. Print head data. I think the answer should be option D, right? Head, this is head, head next is null. 5, head next is set 6, head next is null. Okay, it returned. Yes, it returned. Now print head data. So 5 gets printed, then it returned to 4, then it returned to 3, then 2, then 1. Yep, the right answer is option A. The last one will not be printed because it is not head equals to null, head next equals to null. Next question. Now I have changed the code. I have included 2 print statements, before call and after call. Then what is the output? Raja Rajput, 6 will not be printed because when head next is null, return happens. It won't print, no. So now what is your answer? Option A. Okay, but the right answer is option C, because it is again head next is equal to null. Head next will be null. This will be true for the last node. So whenever for the last node it is true, last node will not execute print statements. So until then you are printing and moving, right? So print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then call, and while return you print them back 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next question. Yeah. So first time we have got MSQ. Consider an implementation of unsorted singly linked list. Suppose it has its representation with head and tail pointer. Given the representation, which of the following operation can be implemented in big O of one time? Assume we have head and tail pointers. We have singly linked list. We have tail pointer, head pointer. And guys, it's a MSQ question. So multiple can be correct. Give your answer. And guys, keep sharing and stay back till the end. What is your answer for this question? Raja Rajput says ABD, Pratik Soni ABC. Okay. The right answer for this is yes, ABC. Big O of 1, constant time, insertion at front, insertion at end, because we have a tail pointer, deletion of first, but deletion of last takes big O of n because it's a singly linked list. Okay. Next question. Again MSQ. Now we have doubly linked list which can be implemented in big O of one time. Hi Nikshay Pant, how are you? Had your dinner, Nikshay? So what is your answer for question number 34? A, B, C, D. Okay, all are correct. Let's see. Oh, super. Because it's a doubly linked list, you can insert from both the ends. That's why, yes, all are true. All can be done in constant time. We have head pointer, tail pointer also. Next question. Again MSQ. Which of the following statements about linked list data structure are false? False. So go through the options quickly and tell me which are false. So what is your answer for question number 35? Come on, we have more 15 questions. We will finish them quickly. At the earliest we will finish. The right answer is A, C, D. Means A, C, D are false. Only option B is true. They do not provide an efficient way to search an item because it supports only sequential access, and all the others are false. Addition require modification of existing pointers always, of course, even in the beginning head pointer. Linked list pointers always maintain the list in the sorted order. No. Who said? It can take in the random order. It provides an efficient way to find kth element. You have to traverse all the elements. So A, C, D are false. Next question. Okay. Now we have come to graphs. Consider the following sequence of nodes. A depth first search is started at node A. The nodes are listed in the order they are first visited. Which of the above is possible output? Ankita Sen, why A is false? I think Pratik is answering you. So what is your answer for question number 36? Which is possible depth first sequence? 2 and 3. Yes. You see, you start with A, B, E, F, D. How D will come after F? So option 1 is wrong. If you see option 4, you start with A to D, D to B, B to C, C to G. How from C G will come? That's why it is wrong. Okay. Next question. Suppose depth first search is executed on the graph below, starting at some unknown vertex. Assume that a recursive call to visit a vertex is made only after first checking that vertex has not been visited earlier. Then the maximum possible recursion depth is. depth first search. So here we have a cycle. And it is recent gate question, if you remember. The right answer is 19, because you just exclude anyone in the cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's say I am excluding this. So 17, 18, 19. So if you just exclude one from this, you will get it. Okay. So like this. Depth first search, no? You can just go in this way. So this you can exclude, or this you can exclude. Exclude means it's not actually excluding the recursion depth. Okay. Next question. Consider the graph given below. Which of the following is not valid BFS sequence? Which is not a valid BFS sequence? Come on guys, give your answer for question number 38. Yes, it is not a valid BFS sequence. Why? You start with B sibling should be covered. B, C, F. How F will come before A and D? So that's why it is not valid. Simple. Okay. Next question. The postfix expression for prefix expression is. So we have prefix expression, we have to convert it into postfix expression. Here also we use operand stack. Hurry up. What is your answer for this question? So we have prefix to postfix conversion. So what you do? You will scan from right to left. You will scan from right to left. So 10, 7. Then what do you do? Whenever you got an operand, you just write it as 7, 10 operand. Then 2, then minus. So you will write it as 2, 7, 10 division minus. Then we have 8, then we have 6, then multiplication, 6, 8 multiplication, then plus. So all this, then all this plus at last. So the right answer is option B. Okay, simple if you have like this, and whenever you scan some operator, you will just express in this way and again push back. And if it is this is prefix to postfix. If it is postfix to prefix, just this expression changes, scan from left to right. Okay. Next, a function f defined on stacks of integers satisfy the following properties. If a stack s contains the integers 2, -3, 2, -1, 2 from bottom to top, what is f of s? So we have 2, -3, 2, -1, 2. So we have this. So first we are pushing f of push of s comma 2. So this is max of 0, 0 plus 2. Then you will push -3, max of 2, 0 plus -3, -1. Then you will push 2, max of -1, 0 plus 2, 1. Then you will push -1, max of 1, 0 plus -1, 0. Then you will push 2, max of 2, 0. Somewhere we missed it. -3, 2, -1, 2. Somewhere 1 minus 0 plus I 2. We are getting 4, but we get 3. Somewhere we missed it, guys. Check it once. Zero plus 2 is 2. 2 minus 3 is -1. Then this is 0 plus 2. 1, 0. This is 3. Because max of -1, 0 is not -1, no, 0. There we have done mistake. Okay. Next, the following postfix expression with single digit operand is evaluated. Note that this is an exponentiation operator. The top 2 elements after first star is evaluated. Vinod, previous recruitment process is not yet completed. Jay Simha, you will be eligible, but you need to work hard. Don't worry, you can. Okay. So what is the answer for this question? Option A. Okay. Yes, you are correct. So it is a postfix expression evaluation. We will scan from left to right. So 8, 2 cube 8, 8 by 8 1, 2 into 3 6. So after first star is evaluated, what are the operands? 6 and 1. Next question. A program attempts to generate as many permutations as possible by the string ABCD by pushing ABCD in the same order. but it may pop the top at any time. Which string cannot be generated using this program? So this is another model, popular model question. Come on guys, which cannot be generated? Yes, CABD we cannot generate because after C how A will come, because you are popping push A, push B, push C, pop C will come, then what you will get when you pop? B will come, but how A is coming? So this is wrong. Okay, next question. The minimum number of nodes with height 2 raised to n in a binary tree will be? The minimum number of nodes with height. What is your answer for the question? Question number 43. Option B. We know minimum nodes with height h is equal to h plus 1. So when h is equal to 2 power n, that means minimum nodes will be 2 power n plus 1. Just replace h with 2 power n. That's it. Next question. MSQ question guys. Which of the below statements is or invalid? Every perfect binary tree is complete. Every complete is full. Every full is complete. Full is perfect. Here guys, for this question, just treat almost complete and complete as same. Okay, I am giving you this consideration. So considering it, identify the false statement. It's a MSQ question guys. Yes. Every complete is full. No. How? Every complete can be full. So I'll just write A, B, C, D. This is complete but not full, isn't it? Similarly, every full is complete. No, it need not to be. Here I have, it is full but not complete. Every full is perfect. Every full is perfect. No, all the leaves should be at the same level, B at one level, D at another level. So it is full but not perfect. So B, C, D are false. Okay. Question number 45. The max number of nodes in a perfect binary tree at level 5. You start number with 0. Okay, because when it is not mentioned, you have to understand that. Tirth, of course I will upload, don't worry. So what is the answer for this question guys? Question number 45. More 5 questions left, just stay back. Guys, I told you it start with 0. So the max number of nodes in a perfect binary tree at level 5 is 2 power 5. At level L will be 2 power L. Simple. You just see A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This is level 0, level 1, level 2. Number of nodes. Two power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. So 2 power L. If it is starting with 1, then 2 power L minus 1. Okay? Next question. The number of labeled binary trees with 4 nodes is labeled binary trees, and it's a numerical answer type. Labeled binary trees with 4 nodes. Yes, it is 2n cn by n plus 1 whole into n factorial. Here just substitute n with 4, you will get the answer. Okay? Next question. Identify false statement from below. Multiple select question, guys. False statement. Vinod Verma, I have given, right? I have given it. Though it is not mentioned, I have given it. So the right answer is B and D. B is false, D is false. Every AVL tree is a binary search tree. Yes. AVL tree itself says height balanced BST. So every AVL tree is a binary search tree, true. Every perfect binary tree is a complete binary tree, yes. But every full is not a complete. Every binary heap is a binary search tree, not required. It is just a complete binary tree, right? Next question. With what data structure can a priority queue be implemented effectively? With what data structure? Priority queue. It is not repeated Raja Rajput. A, B, C, D are different. Options are different. Huh? Priority queue is implemented with what? Sri Priya Mu, Vinod Verma, Heba, Ankita, Pratik Soni, Sarkar, everybody. Yes. Priority queue is implemented using heap data structure. Very good. What's the time complexity to insert a node using linked list? To insert a node in the linked list in priority queue. Yes, of course, because when you say linked list and it is all big O notation, so worst case time complexity definitely n. Okay, last question of the day. A binary search tree is generated by inserting integers in this order: the number of nodes in the left subtree and the right subtree of the root respectively. Come on. Last question of the day. Guys, keep liking, keep sharing. At least for the last question, can't you share? Yes, the right answer is option B. So it's a binary search tree. 50, 15, 62, 5, 20, 58, 91, 3, 8, 37. Here 37 will come. 60 and 24. Where 24 will come? Here 24 will come. So the number of nodes on the left subtree are 7, right subtree are 4. Okay, so that's all for today. Guys, on our Gradeup app, I have started a series Abhyas, and this is the complete information about what happens on what day. It is at 8:30 p.m. so you may attend. And this is the most worrying factor for many students, how to maintain regularity in the studies. Tomorrow I will tell you at the same time, 9:30 p.m. on YouTube. So guys, before I wind up, what is your score? What's your score? Out of 50, what is your score? Sure, Ankita, I will share. Tirth, please join the Telegram channel, which will be in the description box, in the description of this class. There you will get. Okay. So may I know the score, please? (43 out of 50). Good. Raja Rajput, 39 out of 50. What about others? Please share your score before you leave, and also do like it. 40 by 50. Ankita. Sripriya, what is your score? Nandini, 40 by 50. But still, Raja, that's okay. Good. Congratulations to all of you for your sincere efforts. So keep liking, keep sharing, keep attending this kind of sessions. So how do you feel the session, guys? Did you feel you really attempted some exam? Did you feel that spirit or not? And guys, this is our Gradeup Gate Hall of Fame in 2021. We have 100 plus AIR holders under top 100. Under top 10, we have 10 plus rankers. So this is what our track record. So take super subscription and enjoy all the structured live courses by best faculty, and get all the mock test access with the green card. Okay. So before you leave, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Gradeup Gate channel. So I appreciate everybody for your sincere efforts. Never give up. Go Gradeup. सही प्रेप है तो लाइफ सेट है, ग्रेडअप है तो सही प्रेप है. Good night everyone. See you tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. on app, 9:30 p.m. on YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.